teşekkür ederek başlamak istiyorum. İlk yüz yüze Aura Suare'de Seda Hanım'la uzun süredir çalışıyoruz üzerinde. Gelen herkese çok teşekkür ederim.
Design Build is an activity that combines concept, design process, and ultimately construction. We don't exactly know what we're going to build yet. We know a little bit. We made some good progress, but it's that process. But before thinking too much, I needed to start building. I needed to make a porch. But how do you build a porch without a house? And here is Gropius playing ping pong on his back porch. One of my favorite architect photographs. So porches tune person and place. A porch absorbs its context as it responds to natural vibrations. Japanese architecture, because I've learned a lot from that in proportions, and also I think in the relationship between inside and outside.
Thank you.
Wow,
Beautiful.
remember us.
Yeah, thank you.
Great.